Yeah, Ricky Volz. I'm a partner and head of our enterprise services team. We're at Realize Live to meet Siemens folks, but also to meet other companies that may one day want to adopt Mendix and Kinetech. So we're here to learn about their stories, to understand what they're struggling with, so we can better tailor our approach to helping them. Why do companies, including manufacturers, buy Mendix? If you have a problem that you cannot find a solution for off the shelf from a software perspective, Mendix is a good option for you, right? The reality is you can't buy everything, but with Mendix you can build just about anything you can think of. So we never run into a situation where we get stuck, right? Or where Mendix can't do the job. We've built applications that do just about anything you can think of. So, again, if you found yourself in a situation where you're stuck, where there's a problem or pain you don't know how to resolve, call us, and we'll show you how it can resolve in minutes. Yeah, some common use cases in manufacturing with Mendix would be connecting to the shop floor, right? You've made huge capital investments in the machinery, and the personnel, and the facilities, but do you really know what's going on in the shop floor? Do you know what your people are doing? Do you know what your machines are doing? Do you know how well you're performing? That's a big and I think an obvious one. The other thing is, these manufacturing companies, generally speaking, have made huge investments in ERP systems and other software that Siemens sells, for example. How do you connect to those? How do you unite all of those? Right? That's where Mendix can fit in. Mendix can be the glue between all the different services that you've already purchased and that you're using, and give you really a unified view into your operations, into your team. As a manufacturer, you should know that low code is built for you. Right? Again, you've got major investments in software and services and personnel. You've got to find a way to connect to those. You've got to find a way to bring them together. And then you've got to find a way to differentiate your business, right? If you're in a low margin manufacturing business, for example, an extra percentage makes a big difference. So how are you going to get that? Right? And what you can do with Mendix, the products you can develop, the services you can build, can give you a leg up on your competition. It can give you something that the guy down the street doesn't have. Yeah, so you're a manufacturer, you want to get started with Mendix and low code. What do? Call us. Go to KinetechCloud.com, submit your information, or go to your Mendix rep and say, hey, connect me with Kinetech. I want to learn more about this platform. I want to know what I can do. I want to know what companies like Kinetech are doing with it every day. Yeah, so you've built your first application now. What happens next? Our team will sit down with your leaders and help put together a portfolio of applications that you may want to build. We'll guide you every step along the way. We'll play a leading role or a supporting role depending on the level of sophistication your team has and what your overall goals and ambitions are. Our focus is on your success, right? And we're only successful if you're successful. So again, our team is deep with a lot of expertise in this. We know how to build products. We know how to launch products. And so we'll guide you and carry you the whole way. Awesome.